Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the touchscreen not responding on your Redmi 13. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or case because it can cause a lot of interference. So what I mean by that is do not remove them unless they are misaligned and they are not covering the screen but they're covering the sides of your phone. And remove your case when it's covering the little edges of your screen and it's just not fitting perfectly. So if that's the case, then remove it. And then you guys can clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. So get your microfiber cloth ready and give it a few swipes, as you guys can see, just like that. Now your screen should look better, much better, because it has no moisture, oil or anything on it. And now after that, what you guys can do is restart your phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now here, swipe down to reboot and let go of your finger. So now all you guys got to do is wait. So I'll see you guys once my phone is ready to use. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is update your software. And how you do that, basically we need to swipe up and then enter the password if we have one. Now we want to go over to the settings, so go to the settings and now click on about phone. So we need to wait for it to load. And now let's click on about phone. And here we need to click on HyperOS. So after we click here, we will see what's the next update. So basically what update is available. As you guys can see, for me, Xiaomi HyperOS 2 is available right now. And now if we want to update our software, we just click on download update and the rest will just go by itself. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.